up, guys? My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Jasmy Coin. But before we dive into Jasmy analysis, crypto and whatnot, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently up right now 4.1% in the last 24 hours, making some big moves. If we have a look right here on TradingView, Bitcoin is looking pretty good, but we do have to break this resistance in my opinion. So we do have a resistance right here on Bitcoin, and the big question is, will this resistance be broken? If not, Bitcoin can enter right now a massive triangle, of course. So we're gonna have to see what happens here in the next couple of hours or in the next couple of days, because this is on a daily time frame. Of course, if we have a look at Jasmy, before we dive in a look and have a look at Jasmy, we could see that it is trading right now under 2 cents. Market cap sitting right below $1 billion market cap, obviously looking pretty darn great. And having a look at the crypto bubble, we could see right here that the whole market has been green. The Bitcoin halving is around the corner in about 14 days from now. We know that the halving will be happening. So obviously very exciting times around Bitcoin. Now, I'm not expecting a pump at the halving or a little bit before. In my opinion, I think we're actually going to see a dump. But of course, that's my thought, not financial advice. Of course, market cap sitting at $1.35 billion, or trillion, I should say. I mean, billion, guys, are you out of your mind? So having a look at Jasmy real quick, what is going on? What is happening? Well, we know right here that we had a crazy pump that brought it all the way up 350% from zero, right under 1 cent, all the way to as high as below 3 cents. So obviously looking pretty darn great in my opinion. Market cap is right below $1 billion right here. The volume is sitting at $69-70 million in the last 24 hours. Obviously pretty great. I think it could be way better than that and do way better than that, considering that the market cap is right under $1 billion. I think we should have at least $100 to $200 million worth of volume. Now, this thing is listed on Gate.io, BingX, Binance, Crypto.com, BitGet, Coinbase. It's listed obviously on a bunch of exchanges, KuCoin. I mean, you name it, you say it. It's listed on every exchange, and you could see right here, if we have a look at crypto exchange, I believe the only exchange that it's not listed on is Kraken. I could be wrong though, but we're gonna have to see what happens. But the rest, it has been listed, and you could see, guys, Binance probably the most important one, generating. That's what's happening right now. If we have a look at Jasmy is looking pretty good in my opinion right here. We do have some support right here, as you guys can see. I mean, I know a lot of people, what they like to do is essentially extend those Fibonacci lines. Of course, that is up to you. You know, people look for a pullback to the 6.18, you know, golden ratio. I don't know. That's why it's highlighted for me. Personally, I don't like to essentially play by the fibs, but of course, it's, you know, at the end of the day, it really depends off you and on you, what you like to play. So you could, you know, go like that, play around, take it from the bottom right here from the support. You could see right here that 6.18 is a golden ratio right here. You saw that we saw a massive bounce off here. Well, not a massive bounce, but we did see a bounce on a 1 hour time frame. We peaked right below before going back up. So of course, if this thing does essentially explode 50, 60, 70%, you know that this golden rule or golden pocket of the 6.18 Fibonacci is looking pretty darn great. You could also take it from the highs and see retracements, you know, assuming it does break the 0.618 golden pocket, we could, you know, hope for uptrend momentum. So that's what's happening right now for you know, for Jasmy Coin. But what's really interesting is obviously Bitcoin, and the reason why is because most of the altcoins at the end of the day will follow Bitcoin. So you could see you have a lot of altcoins such as VRA, Atom, and a lot of these cryptos are pretty much exploding, and the reason why that is because Bitcoin's exploding. So like I say in a lot of my videos, Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader when Bitcoin goes up. So the crypto bubble, like I said, guys, looking pretty good. W Coin is sitting at $2 billion market cap. Wormhole was launched, I believe, a couple of days ago, so obviously that's pretty good. I don't know how high this can go. I think this was launched very extremely high. I know a lot of people got in very high as well at, you know, $1.50, $1.60, got wrecked. For market cap for crypto, that's pretty high and safe in market cap. But of course, guys, this is crypto. At the end of the day, nothing is pretty much safe unless you're holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is really what I tell all my investors. You should always put a little bag into, you know, meme coins, shit coins, pre-sale, whatnot, and that's about it. So this is a pre-sale that could be pretty darn big in my opinion. They raised over $10 million right here, and of course there's about 15 days until this pre-sale is over, so I would highly hurry up And of course, not financial advice whatsoever, but highly suggest to have a look at this. Link will be in the description below. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.